Hi everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas. This is day 2. As I'm trying to do Vlogmas this year, very last minute, I'm about to upload my first day from yesterday. And yeah, probably gonna get like 2 views, but you know what I mean. I've actually not had a chance to film much today. Basically the landlord was meant to come around with the electrician and check all the electrics. And I was feeling really anxious about like having to deal with that. So I decided that I didn't want to deal with that, so I went into town and I was like, do you know what, like 3 hours, 4 hours, it's not that long. Oh my god, most boring day of my life. Oh my god, so it's now like 3:30 and I'm ready for a nap because I'm exhausted. Like my legs hurt so much, like spending like a month just like walking to the shop around the corner and going on like little walks, but like because I've been walking around for so many hours. And then obviously it was the first day that the shops were open, so that's really, I'm really tired. But yeah, I got some stuff. I just got a order. I was watching, I think it's Fizz and Flourish, or Fliz and, oh my, I think, I don't know, I probably butchered that. She had a notebook tutorial. So then I went out and bought all the materials to make a notebook. I got the cut and match recommended, I got the staples recommended. I got a bone folder and I got loads of card and paper to go inside. So I'm going to experiment with making my own notepads. Okay, right, my hair's a mess because the weather destroyed it. But I got scammed in Paper Chase. Oh my god. Right, so this little penguin is dressed as a unicorn, which I thought was so cute, right? So it had a 30% sticker on it and then also a 50% sticker. And it was originally meant to be £6. But then I got charged £7, and because of the awkward person I am, when she said it, I was like, oh, like maybe I read the tag wrong, whatever. So I just paid it, and then I left, and then I checked the tag, and I was like, no. But because I'm so awkward and scared of human interaction, I just like didn't say anything. And now I'm like, oh my god, I only wanted it if it was £3, and now it's £6. He is cute though. What is that? But I don't think he's worth £7. Do you know what I mean? I only go on Paper Chase if there's a sale on because it's expensive. It's not expensive, but you know, like when they have a sale, like that's the good time to go. And I was like, and do you know what, right? Because he was the last one left as well. There was like another, I think it was a bear dressed as something, but he was the last penguin. I thought, well, I can't leave him behind, can I? Like, no. But bearing in mind, I got a giant Winnie the Pooh dressed as a bee earlier this week. I really didn't need another one. And I am just thinking, like, because the electrician came around today, were they like, do children live here? Because in the spare room we have like maybe like 9 different Mickey Mouses. Oh god, what's the plural of Mickey Mouse? And then in the bedroom I have like 5 teddies in the bed, and then like loads on the side. But I'm just childish like that. Like, who wants to be an adult? I think being an adult is so boring and I don't want to. So I'm not going to. And yeah, oh my god, I'm so tired. I just like wanted to quickly talk about like how I was kind of like avoiding the people today. And like the landlord and the electrician. But I know that like avoidance isn't like the best way to deal with something. But like I hadn't slept barely for like 2 days because I was so nervous about it. And having like irrational thoughts about it. Like, in reality, it probably would have been completely fine. You know, like what's gonna happen that's so bad? But my mind is like, no. And so I was like, do you know what, I'm like gonna go to town. And I saw like a van pulled, and I was like, oh my god, it's them, gotta go. I don't think it was. There's also like no sign of them actually being here, so I don't know if they even came. Are they gonna come tomorrow? Are they gonna come now? But yeah, like going shopping by myself is something that also stresses me out. So I was like, do you know what? Like, let's do that. Do you know, I needed to get some things. I mean, I didn't really need anything, but there's like things that I wanted. And I need to do a bit of Christmas shopping, and it wasn't that busy actually. But like, I hate going shopping by myself, so that was like, I may have avoided one situation, but I did another, you know? So yeah, I might show you, because I've got nothing to film, because I'm so tired. I'm not going to do any work. I mean, I might. I'm going to show you what I bought. I can't show you some things, because some things are presents, but I'll show you. Here's a mini haul. Nothing too exciting. So these are part of the Christmas present. I thought we're going to watch it anyways, but it's like little penguins at Haribo's. But now I feel bad, because I bought the penguin. I'm going to eat his friends. But... And then I also got this from Wilko's, which is a cosmetics box, right? But because, like, I thought I could put my button badges in here, because, like, the compartments are the great size. I don't need the mirror, obviously, but I thought it'd be really cute storage to put the button badges in. I got some more Haribo's, and I got this card, right, because I've been looking for card to do photo backgrounds, and I've got some pink and blue card, but this was advertised as A4 pastel card. Like, I don't think this is pastel. This one, like, maybe, but also the colours inside don't look pastel either. And it also looks like it's caught really badly. It is £1, so, like, I can't really complain. But that's not pastel, you know. And then I got the penguin, the scammer penguin. And I got this, which is toast chocolate orange with biscuit in it, which I was intrigued by. Right, nothing's, like, that exciting. Oh, I got this little, like, coin purse. This is a present for someone for Christmas. And then I got this bookmark. It's just like, how cute is that? They do a lot of reading, so I thought that'd be cute. And then I also got their partner these ones, because they're a teacher as well, so I thought that would be cute. It's from a shop called Kenji. If anyone lives in Manchester, I think there might be one in, like, Leeds or Liverpool, I don't know, but it's such a cute shop. I got some more Christmas presents a few weeks ago for other people from there. I got a face claw. I got some nail clippers, because I don't have any, and I got this brow gel, because I use one now that's £5, and it's just like, this was £1.50, and I was like, do you know what, I may as well try it. And then I also got nail polish corrector pen, because I tried to paint my nails like a cute pastel blue the other day with some gel polish, and it got everywhere, and it looks really bad. So I, like, took it off. And then I also got some books with lined paper in it, because I couldn't find any lined paper, and I wanted to make notepads and experiment. So I thought I could experiment with these. But yeah, nothing too... Oh, did I show these? Oh, and then I got some shirts. H&M had a sale on, and I don't really shop in H&M. And then this one's like a little out of my comfort zone. But it's really cute. And I got both of them for £18. Because this one was £8, so you get 10% off if you're a member, so I signed up to be a member. They're really cute. I find, like, I never buy myself anything, but, like, this last week, I've just been spending money. I think, like, when I'm not at work, I've got nothing else to do, I'm just like, let's buy things. Like, it's Christmas presents. Like, I didn't really get anything, apart from the clothes, I didn't really get anything, like, indulgent, or just, like, things for my business and Christmas and a brow gel. But yeah, it's not like I've spent loads of money, apart from the penguins scamming me. It's like only £7, but, like, oh my god, so rude. I think the penguin is gonna be a Christmas present as well, but I feel a bit attached to it. And I checked the website to see if they have any more, and they don't, because he was the last one in the shop. But I'm probably going to end the vlog now. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm just, like, tired. Like, I'm really tired. I need to open my advent calendar. I've not done that yet. But, yeah, sorry, it's been, like, I feel like my energy is really low right now. So, yeah. Christmas spirit. Yeah, I just had a weird day. I think because I built up the electrician coming so much in my mind that, like, now it's over. I think it's over. I don't know if they came, but now that, like, the worries left, because it's no longer, I don't know. But now I'm just tired because I've not slept in 2 days for being so worried about it. But I need to do work, because, like, this is my problem. I let, like, my anxiety, like, get in the way of being creative and actually doing things. But yeah, I think tomorrow I'm gonna do things. I just am. I'm gonna do it. I need to package calendars and post them. I need to make pin badges. So yeah, sorry that these last 2 vlogs haven't been, like, the most creative. But now I've got my materials to make notebooks, and I'm gonna try and do that. Also, I'm going to try and film with the back camera because the front camera quality is not good, and I already know that, but I don't like not being able to see what I'm doing, what I look like. I mean, I look awful. Which other camera's on me, I'm going to look awful. But yeah, so thanks for watching my very uncheerful day 2 of Vlogmas. Please subscribe, like video, comment. I think tomorrow will be a better day. I'm hoping tomorrow will be a better day.